I am done with free events in 2023. And if you're a thought leader who has been posting to social media regularly, you should be too. Here's the deal. My client made $1,500 in under a couple of days setting up a masterclass on LinkedIn, inviting her network to it, and charging a ticket price. Bonus, all the folks who have registered thus far have never done business with her before. They're effectively cold prospects. They've just been following her on social media for a while. See, the problem is most people are still subscribing to that old methodology and mindset of marketing where you have a funnel, you host a free webinar, and then at the end you pitch people a higher product or higher ticket service. Now, there's a time and a place for this, but if you're a thought leader, if you're an expert in your field, if you work with enterprise companies, I don't think you should be doing this. You should host a masterclass on LinkedIn, use the LinkedIn event to push it out, use hopin.com to charge a price for that, and then invite your network to it. This is going to work for you for a couple of reasons. Number one, people who want to pick your brain and usually can't because they can't afford your high ticket consulting prices that your enterprise clients can are going to rush at the opportunity. Number two, you get to serve a market that you usually can't and get more engagement from those folks. And number three, you're going to play off of volume here. So it's going to be well worth your time. They're getting value because you're going to come in and drop knowledge bombs on them, and you're getting a huge return on your investment for about 90 minutes while validating your position and your ideas. This is great. I want to see all of you try this in 2023. Now, again, this works if you've been posting and adding value to your network consistently. Don't try and go from nothing on social media to setting this up on LinkedIn and thinking people are going to respond. But if you have been posting, you've been paying your dues, people have been watching, and they're ready to pay you for your expertise.